Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share some tips on how to fix your network problem in your device Redmi 11 Prime. So if your network is working slow in your device, you can fix it by following the few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you're the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can fix any problem related to your network.